Welcome pros, this is Walid Al Sayed. We're doing a quick video. Somebody asked me about how do I handle buyers who want to put a lowball offer. So this is how we educate buyers. First of all, even if they want a lowball offer, give it to them. We are required to follow their instructions. We can tell them we don't think it's going to happen. And this is what we do. So I've logged into my MLS. You go into Treb Market Stats. We're going to go down here to the community. Peel. This is Everything Starts with E by Alice DJ playing in the background. So here we are, and in this case, the buyer was looking for a house in Brampton, in the Brampton North community. So we're going to become experts in Brampton North in a second. In the last quarter, there were 65 sales, 132 new listings. The sales price to list price is 99.7% with 20 days on market. So we educate our buyers. When they want us to offer a lowball offer, we let them know that the properties in this community have been selling for 99.7%. That's pretty much full price. And they've been selling for full price in 20 days or less. So you can go and tell your buyer, okay, Mr. Buyer, I'll put in your offer that you want, which is very low. I think this property is going to sell for almost full price, and I'll be surprised if this listing goes past 20 days. And you put in the offer. And then you monitor what happens, and you look like the expert when the offer gets rejected and when it sells for nearly full price within the average days on market. And that's basically my advice. And you hammer into your client's mind that every property that's being listed with an agent has undergone a tremendous amount of research, and realtors know, and they priced it right, and they know that it's going to sell for 99.7% of asking. And it's been priced accordingly. And here it is for all the other communities. So that's the solution for handling a buyer who wants to lowball an offer. Let them know that these are the expectations, the price as well as days on market. Hope you found that useful. Please like and subscribe and check for a step-by-step written instructions on how to get to this page in the link below in the description. This is Walid Al Sayed signing off and reminding us all to have a productive day.